Every year, over 300,000 seniors in the US need hip replacements after falling, and many of these falls are linked not just to weak legs, but to poor nutrition. The right daily foods can sharpen balance, strengthen muscles, and help you avoid becoming part of this frightening statistic. Today, we'll look at why seniors lose balance and how easy food fixes can help. 1. Missing nutrients, quiet gaps that chip away at strength. Imagine you sit down for a meal. Toast in the morning, a sandwich for lunch, maybe pasta for dinner. It sounds like enough, right? But what you don't see is how certain vitamins and minerals quietly keep your bones, muscles, and nerves working together. And without them, even a full plate leaves your body hungry for what it really needs. For example, without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium well, which makes your bones weaker over time. Leafy greens, fortified dairy, and salmon are all good sources, but they often get left off senior plates, especially at breakfast and lunch. Even worse, many people lose the habit of drinking milk or eating fish as they age, which means they're missing out on two power players for bone health. Magnesium is another quiet helper found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Without it, muscles can cramp and nerves can misfire, making your steps less sure. And B vitamins, hiding in foods like eggs, chicken, and fortified cereals, are key to nerve health. They help carry messages from your feet to your brain so you can react quickly when you stumble or slip. It's not just about adding one thing here or there. It's about building a plate that gives your body what it needs across the day. Many seniors load up on certain foods at dinner, but skip important nutrients at breakfast or lunch, leaving their bodies playing catch-up. Doctors can sometimes help check for hidden gaps, especially if you've had bone thinning or muscle loss. But even before you get tested, adding more variety and paying attention to what's missing on your plate can make a real difference in how steady you feel. Now let's talk about something even simpler: water. 2. Dehydration, the water problem that's easy to miss. Most people don't realize how powerful water is when it comes to balance. When you're even a little dehydrated, your blood volume drops, making it harder for your heart to pump blood to your brain. That's why standing up too quickly can make you feel dizzy or wobbly. Here's the tricky part. As you get older, your sense of thirst weakens. So even when your body needs more fluid, you might not feel thirsty at all. You go through the day drinking just a little coffee or tea, maybe a glass of water at lunch, and suddenly your body is running dry. One study found that dehydration is one of the top hidden causes of falls in older adults. This is especially true in warmer weather or if you're taking medications that pull water out of your system, like some heart or blood pressure drugs. Instead of waiting to feel thirsty, it's better to make drinking a habit. Keep a glass or bottle nearby. Add a splash of lemon or a slice of cucumber if plain water feels boring, or reach for herbal teas and watery fruits like melon or cucumber slices. And be mindful of alcohol and caffeine, which can quietly dry you out without you noticing. By simply giving your body enough fluid, you're helping your blood flow, your brain stay sharp, and your muscles respond smoothly. All small, daily steps that keep you steadier when you walk. Now, let's move to your body's fuel, your blood sugar. 3. Blood sugar swings, the energy drop you can't see. Have you ever skipped a meal and felt weak, shaky, or a little lightheaded? Or eaten something sweet and felt jittery afterward? That's your blood sugar playing tricks on you. Your brain and muscles rely on a steady supply of sugar from the food you eat. When your blood sugar drops too low or jumps too high, your balance can be thrown off, your nerves can misfire, and your legs can suddenly feel less stable. This is especially risky for seniors, many of whom take medications that affect blood sugar or have medical conditions like diabetes. Studies show that older adults with poor blood sugar control are up to 3 times more likely to fall than those with steady levels. That's why it's so important to eat regular, balanced meals. Adding some protein, like eggs, chicken, or legumes, and healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil, can help smooth out sugar swings and keep your energy even. Skipping meals or reaching only for sugary snacks leads to spikes and crashes, which not only sap your energy, but also hurt your balance. Keeping small, healthy snacks on hand, like a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit with some nut butter, can help keep you on an even keel, especially if you feel a dip coming on. By managing your blood sugar, you give your brain and muscles the steady fuel they need to keep you safe on your feet. We've talked about vitamins, water, and blood sugar, but now we're going even deeper into your gut. For gut health, the surprising link to balance. Inside your belly live billions of tiny bacteria that quietly help with digestion, inflammation, and even communication with your brain. Scientists call this the gut-brain axis, and it's a two-way street. A healthy gut helps your brain stay sharp, while a troubled gut can cloud thinking, slow reactions, and even affect balance. A recent study found that seniors who ate gut-friendly diets, full of fiber, fermented foods, and healthy fats, had better balance and coordination than those who ate mostly processed, sugary, or fried foods. That's because a healthy gut reduces body-wide inflammation and supports the nervous system, helping your body react quickly when you need to catch your balance. Adding more fiber through fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, or including fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut, gives your gut bacteria the food they need to thrive. Cutting back on processed snacks and fried foods removes the substances that hurt them. And if you've been on antibiotics, which can wipe out both good and bad bacteria, talking to your doctor about probiotics might help restore balance. A healthy gut might seem like a small piece of the puzzle, but it plays a quiet, powerful role in helping your body move, react, and stay upright. Now let's look at something you can't see or feel right away: inflammation. 5. Inflammation, the hidden slow drain on your strength. Inflammation is your body's natural way of healing after an injury or illness. But when it sticks around too long, it stops helping and starts hurting. Chronic inflammation slowly breaks down muscles, stiffens joints, and clouds brain function, all things that make balance harder over time. One study showed that seniors with higher inflammation levels had weaker grip strength, slower walking speed, and worse balance. This kind of inflammation often comes from long-term stress, poor sleep, and a diet heavy in processed or sugary foods. But here's the good news: small changes can help calm it down. Eating more anti-inflammatory foods like berries, leafy greens, and fatty fish can make a big difference. Adding healthy fats like olive oil or avocado supports joint health, while staying active, even with gentle movement, helps keep inflammation in check. And don't forget sleep. Poor rest raises inflammation, so setting a regular bedtime and making your sleeping space dark, quiet, and cool can help your body recover better. By lowering inflammation, you protect your muscles, your joints, and your brain, giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and steady. Moving forward, we need to look at one of the most common nutrition mistakes seniors make: not eating enough protein. 6. Poor protein intake, the muscle slowdown. Many people think protein is just for bodybuilders or athletes, but the truth is that your body needs protein every day to repair muscles, maintain strength, and keep your nerves working well. After the age of 60, your body becomes less efficient at using the protein you eat, which means you actually need more, not less. Without enough protein, your muscles slowly shrink and weaken. This doesn't just make you feel weaker, it directly affects your balance. Smaller, weaker muscles can't hold you up as well or catch you when you trip. Adding more protein to each meal makes a real difference. Instead of saving all your protein for dinner, spread it out. Eggs at breakfast, beans or chicken at lunch, and fish or tofu at dinner help give your body steady building blocks throughout the day. Even small changes, like adding Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts to snacks, can help rebuild the muscle strength you need to stay steady on your feet. Let's connect this to something else: how often you eat. 7. Skipping meals, the steady fuel you're missing. Many older adults start eating fewer meals as they age. Maybe they skip breakfast because they're not hungry. Maybe they have a tiny lunch and wait for a bigger dinner. But here's the problem: long gaps between meals leave your body running low on fuel. When your blood sugar drops too low, you feel tired, shaky, and lightheaded. Your brain and muscles don't get the energy they need, and your balance suffers. Even something as simple as standing up from a chair can feel harder. Eating regular, balanced meals helps keep your blood sugar steady and your muscles fueled. You don't need big meals, but you do need to eat consistently throughout the day. Adding small, healthy snacks between meals can help too. Things like a banana with peanut butter, a small bowl of cottage cheese, or a piece of whole grain toast with avocado. These small fueling moments help your body keep working smoothly and prevent the energy dips that raise your fall risk. If eating better could help you live longer, but meant giving up your favorite comfort foods forever, would you do it? Tell us below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.